Welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to see an error related to installation. Okay, INS-35950. Okay, so this is also one of the common error that we encounter whenever we are installing Oracle database using it's not Oracle database, it's the Oracle database software using the run installer. Okay, so if we already installed an Oracle database home on the server, okay, and if the previous installation was completely broken or it was corrupted, okay, so again we need to install the Oracle database on the same server. Okay, so we are just running the run installer. Okay, so I have just simulated this. There is already an Oracle home located here. Okay, but this Oracle home should be registered in the central Oracle inventory. Okay, so I will explain about the inventories in a different video. Okay, so when it comes to database, it is important to understand about the inventory. So this central inventory contains all the installed software products in the particular Oracle server. Okay, say for example, if this server contains three Oracle database softwares, right? So every organizations may be having different structure. Okay, not all the organizations may be having only one database software per server. There may be some organizations who may be having multiple database softwares, like one server containing a 12C Oracle home, 19C Oracle home, and 21C Oracle home, say for example, something like this, right? So all these information, right, the installed software information should be stored somewhere. There should be some metadata. So that metadata is the central inventory. So this is the inventory where all the information of the softwares which are installed in the server will be stored. And whenever you are installing Oracle database software for the next time, Oracle installer will refer this inventory before it starts the installation. So if the installation path that you specify is already available, then it will throw an error. Okay, so let me just execute the run installer. So this is the 19C run installer. So I'm just going to install 19C Oracle database software. So when I click on next, it says that installer has detected an invalid entry in the central inventory corresponding to the Oracle home, this location. Okay, so if you go to details, the action will be choose a different location as Oracle home. Okay, so we can either use a different Oracle home location, that is one option. Okay, or what we can do is, if the existing software that is installed, right, that is no longer needed. Okay, so we want the current software to be installed on the same Oracle home. So we need to remove the previously installed corrupted metadata from the central inventory. Okay, so so if imagine if the database software which is installed here, it is already having a set of databases running, like production databases, then you may need to choose a different location. Otherwise you can just remove it from the inventory. So this is the central inventory file which contains the location of the inventory. Okay, so ora inst.log. Okay, so this is the location of the central inventory. So if you just go inside this directory, we have a lot of files. So I'll just explain all these files in a different video, as I already mentioned. So this is the file. We need to go to the contents.xml. Okay, so inside contents.xml we have a file called inventory.xml. So this inventory contains all the softwares which are installed in the current database, the current server. Okay, so if you see, it has recorded every details. So we need to remove the previous entry of the 19C version. Okay, so how we can remove it? We cannot directly go and modify this XML file because that may corrupt the existing installation. So now let us just run the detach Oracle Home command. Okay, so to detach the Oracle Home from the central inventory. Okay, so we should not be directly removing the entry from the content.xml file, that inventory.xml file. Okay, so this is the correct way of removing the Oracle Home to remove the entry from the central inventory. Okay, so now I'm again executing the run installer. Now click on setup software. Now it is successful. Okay, and also if you go and check the central inventory, so if you see, this one is removed. Okay, so removed is equal to T, which means this inventory will no longer be scanned by Oracle whenever we are again installing the 19C software. Okay, so since this inventory was previously written for the previous installation, it is not allowing me to move forward, but now I can click on next and it is proceeding further. Okay, so this is how we can solve this installation error by detaching the Oracle Home from the inventory, or the another way is to choose a different location instead of providing the current Oracle Home location. Okay, so what is the current Oracle Home location? This is the current Oracle Home location. So instead of instead of 19.0.0 db home underscore 1, you can specify db home underscore 2 if this current home is having databases up and running and you cannot do anything on it. Okay, so thanks for watching. So hope this video will be useful, and also in future or near future you may encounter this kind of error. So I have also explained the inventory and how to handle it at a basic level. So in the next section or in the future sessions, I would explain you in more detail about the inventory part. Okay, thanks for watching. Just like and subscribe.